In this video, I'll show you how to change your screen resolution in Windows, and it's a very simple process. All you have to do is right-click anywhere on your desktop and then select Display Settings. So once you select Display Settings, there's going to be a lot of things that you can see. The one that you want to go to is Display Resolution, and then you can select whichever display resolution you want. So if you want to select 1920 by 1080, it's going to change it. You can hit revert as well. You can make it a smaller resolution, 800 by 600, and it's going to make it even smaller. So either you can select keep changes or revert. So those are the type of options that you have when you're trying to set your display settings, and it's very simple. That's all you have to do, and that's perfect for depending on what size monitor you have. If it's too small, you can edit it. You can make it what you prefer. And if you find that helpful, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.